In 1978, a librarian in Reykjavik swore she found a missing book that listed her as the author. Not a typo. It had her full name, even her middle initial, and the exact day she was supposed to publish it. She flipped to the last page, and the ink was still dark, like it had just dried. Then she checked the library records. The book wasn't cataloged. It wasn't supposed to exist. She did what anyone would do and reported it, but the next morning the shelf was normal. No trace. Hours later, her typewriter started by itself in the basement office. Click, click, like it was trying to keep up. She watched the keys move, and the words that appeared matched the title from the book perfectly. And here's the part that freaked her out most. The final line wasn't a story, it was a date, with today circled in red. Would you keep reading if the next chapter named you?